to the channel, me and car keys. So today's video, I'm gonna start off with somewhat of an apology, okay? I do apologize. I know it's been at least 3 weeks since we posted the video. I do apologize about that, but sometimes life turns into life, okay? All right, so for those of you who are new here, thanks for coming. Please subscribe. My name is Rashid, and this is my channel, Me and Car Keys. I am a automotive YouTuber, content creator. I work a full-time job. I have a family, wife and kids, and I am also back in school. More on that later, all right? So when you're on the go like this and you have so much going on, these types of things can happen, but not to worry, we're back, all right? We're back. I also want to quickly say this, all right? And listen to me when I say this. If you're on the go like this, you have so much going on like I do, take some time out to get some rest. I know it's the last thing you're thinking about is laying down and slowing down or taking a break, but sometimes you need to stop, lay down, and get some rest. If you don't, your body will force you to lay down and get some rest, if you understand what I'm saying. So keep that in mind. I'm just saying, it's happened to me, all right? I can go in detail. Let's go. Hi, y'all. Welcome back to the channel again. All right. So this video didn't go near how it was supposed to. This video was actually supposed to be a dash cam video. So let me show you real quick. So I started this video about 2 weeks ago. It's so sad. I started the video about 2 weeks ago, and it was supposed to be on this dash cam right here. As you see, it's there. The wire was tucked up under there. Don't worry about that. But the dash cam does not work. It does not work. It literally just stopped working. I tried all my connections, and I don't know. I took it down, put it back in, whatever, and it literally does not work. And I thought it was this plug here, but as you see, it's on. You see the light in there? It's on. It's working. So the plug works. So it's not that. It's just not coming on. I tried to press the button several times. It does not do anything. Now, I originally didn't plan on keeping this dash cam anyway. It was actually a gift. This is a kind of a cheaper dash cam. I wanted something a little more advanced. It's something that had 3 cameras. So this one has 2. It has one facing the road. It has one facing you right here. And I want one with a 3rd camera that'll be in the back facing the back of the truck. So I didn't plan on keeping it anyway, so it's not that big of a deal, but I still wanted it to work because I filmed the whole video and it doesn't work. Anyway, now if anybody has any experience with a dash cam and anything you could recommend, any brands, any types, let me know. I can usually help. Put in the comments below. Let me know. So nevertheless, we still have some general maintenance things we need to do on the truck anyway. So we're gonna use this time that I have to get those done. First of all, big shout outs to Boost Auto, y'all. These running boards, I love these running boards. If you need running boards, check them out. Awesome company. Link in the description below. So the first thing we need to do on the truck is about this fog light. So these are my fog lights. They have integrated turn signals. They have daytime running lights, as you see there, and they are awesome. One of the best mods, one of my favorite mods on the truck. One of the mods I get asked about most often. However, check this one out. It's not supposed to look like that. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to have water in it. So yeah, it's filled up with water, which is turned into mold and algae and all kinds of creatures living in there right now. Anyway, I reached out to the company and they sent me another one, and they were equally as surprised as I was that it had water in it. So we're going to replace that one today. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about that one. The other thing we need to do today is about the running boards. So these are, like I say, these are the Boost Auto Step M2s. I love these running boards. So Boost Auto included all the required stuff that you need to install these running boards. They included tap-ins for you to tap into the wiring so that you would get them to go up and down and they would light up and everything. And I actually broke one of the tap-ins. My fault, not their fault. And I used a cheap one that I had here at the house, and it didn't work that well. It worked for like a week. After a week, So like I said, my fault, not Boost Auto's fault. So we got some new taps and we're going to replace that one today. All right, now we don't have much time to get this stuff done because I'm gonna have to go to work today, and Hurricane will be here tomorrow. Yeah. Hurricane, Helene, Helena, whatever her name is, whatever they call her. She'll be here tomorrow. Matter of fact, I think that's her right there. This is pre-hurricane Helene. not too bad yet, but it's getting there. You can tell my lights already flickered at the house. Y'all check this out. My older brother. Not really my older brother, but check this out. Whoa. Whoa. I love that all silver look, y'all. My truck, you know, my truck's all silver, of course. It's a silver and black theme, but I love that all silver look. Anyway, yeah, we're driving on our way to work in the storm, or pre-storm. It's supposed to hit tonight in the Atlanta area. So this is kind of a precursor to it. So yesterday it rained and thunderstormed all day, and it was kind of, it was actually just regular, you know, summer thunderstorms. And it's gonna mix in tonight with the hurricane. So you got regular thunderstorms, it's gonna run right into a hurricane. They all mix all together when it gets to Atlanta. Perfect. And so planes are still taking off and landing like it's nothing. And yeah, already got issues. And it continues. All right, so they're encouraging people to stay home. Well, not my job, but everybody else, they're encouraging people to stay home if you can. So if you can stay home, it's safer that way. If you gotta get out on the road, just be careful, because, yeah. And the hurricane's not even here yet, y'all. So I'm about to go into work. I'll see y'all when I get out.
Another example of that. This is video from West Atlanta, from Utoy Creek. It runs right under Fulton Industrial Boulevard near the Westgate Drive.
Industrial, so we want to make you aware of that just in case that water starts to go.
Could not get out of their homes. They would show up. They worked all night to make sure that people could get out safely, and it all happened at one apartment complex.
That area highly residential.
All right, y'all, this is the next morning after Hurricane Helene came through. We heard it last night. I couldn't even sleep last night. I've not really been sleeping at all, y'all. But just want to kind of see what it looks like. Everything looks normal. It's other than being a little chilly and very windy still. As you can see, the clouds are still crazy up there. The truck got super dirty. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, yeah, so I haven't driven anywhere, haven't left the house yet. I still have to go to work today, but I did leave the top open on the truck because I want to see how much water will actually accumulate in there from the, whoa, got a whole pool in there. So there hasn't really been much debris on the road. Mind you, it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but there hasn't been that much debris. I've seen a couple of down tree limbs. I've seen a couple of low power lines, like that one. It's hanging there. It shouldn't be hanging like that. But other than that, I haven't seen a whole lot. Of debris. So I mean, a lot of it's probably been cleaned up by this time. But there were a ton of power outages, as you would expect, of course. By the time Helene got to us in Atlanta, it was, I think they would say it was going from a Category 1 storm down to a tropical storm. So it had weakened significantly by the time I got here. Thanks for y'all's concern. A couple people did message me. I do appreciate it. We are good. We're safe here. Everything seems normal here. Like I say, it's a couple things got knocked over in the backyard. We did secure everything that we needed to secure before it got here. So yeah, we're all good. So if you have any family members in the Florida area, especially the Panhandle, Georgia, anywhere Atlanta, check on them. Make sure they're good. My prayers go out to all those that were severely affected by the hurricane, especially those in Florida. Thanks for watching another video. I know this wasn't really eventful. This is kind of a glimpse into life. Yeah. So we got a lot of things coming on the channel. Stay tuned. Boost Auto coming up real soon. A couple other things coming up real soon I don't want to mention yet because I'm not sure how they're going to pan out. So keep an eye on the channel. Please subscribe. Till next time, stay safe out there, and Motivation Crew, I'll see you.